Hey, it is Rue. Today we are making the White Russian. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. All right, let's gather our ingredients. You're going to need vodka. I have here Kettle One. Coffee liqueur. I have here Kahlua. And the last ingredient, milk. 3 items. Okay, let's grab our tools. Ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step, grab your rocks glass and fill it up with ice. Take your vodka, open it. We will be pouring 1.5 ounces into the glass. Now, grab your Kahlua, open it. We will be pouring 1/2 ounce into the glass. I'm using milk for this drink, but if you have a creamer or even a Half'nHalf, that will also work. So grab your milk, open it. You could actually pour the milk up to here to top it off, or you can use a jigger here and pour 3/4 of an ounce into the drink. The final step is to take this bar spoon here and give the drink a nice stir. And there you go, my friends, a White Russian. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.